Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin and a very special Piaggio Vespa Super 150 from 1966. We've the bike has had basically a full recommission from top to bottom. The only two things that aren't original to the bike are the fitted indicators and electronic ignition, which are additions to even Vespa enthusiasts that they'd like. The engine, we had enlisted the help of David Power in Waterford, I should say, who's a specialist on these 150 engines, to get the correct engine, a proper Italian engine, fully rebuilt and ready inside of this thing. So everything has been top to bottom done. There's been the extras that would have came from original, which would have been the rear rack tire, which is present in there, sissy bar and rear pillion seat, and the actual seat itself, so you could have dual 2-up. Overall the bike is mint. We did have it, I just gave it a little wash there quickly because it was sitting in the dust in the lockup there. Everything here all really minty. Everything up here all very good condition. 412 kilometers. There's only been 5 kilometers since the rebuild, so I have to take it fairly handy on the test ride for you guys. Everything mint as can be, rear tire brand new, everything like that under here. From what I know, this is the model to get in terms of Vespas. This is the one everyone wants, so that's kind of it. Piaggio Vespa 1966 150 Super. Let's go for a spin.
Okay, on to the Vespa. Now, please do bear with me. I'm not the best Vespa driver. So, I'm not the best with the whole gears, all that kind of stuff. It does take me a while, so I do apologise for my shitty gear changes in advance. But we are running, stopping, starting, everything like that. I think indicators are like this or something. I'm not sure. Oh, we're doing a wheelie. And then I'm in. Sorry, I'm in. I was in neutral. Again, I'm very sorry. It does take me some time. Third gear, okay. Getting a bit more of the hang of it now. And we're going to go into first here. Clutch in. Make sure no one's going to come and kill me. And they haven't. I've gone into third, I think. I'm not too sure. Anyway, I'm very sorry. I'm getting through it. I'm, I can ride a lot of bikes, but a Vespa does take me quite a bit to get used to. But the main thing is it's running, it's starting, it's stopping, it's doing all the things it should be doing. I'm in second gear now. I'm in first. All the lights are working. All that kind of nonsense, which will be the main thing. I'm in neutral again, and I'm probably in third. Again, I do apologize, but yeah, that's been it. You've seen the bike. You've seen the bike being ridden by someone who doesn't know what the hell he's doing in terms of Vespas, and you've seen the bike running, stopping and starting. The rear brake is working. That's the rear brake. And yeah, that's kind of been it. I apologise again for how poor I am with the whole gearing system on a Vespa. But that's been it for this video. I do appreciate it. The last video of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this is helpful for you guys looking to purchase the bike. You can see it running at least, and which you don't get the luxury of doing on a lot of bikes these days. But thanks so much for watching. Oh God, for God's sake. It's fucking Like, no, like he's looking at me like I'm an idiot. Anyway, that's been it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Vespa Sport 150, 66, 1966, running, riding, stopping, starting, all electrics working. Thank you so much. If you want to reach out to us, it is at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com.